Hello everyone and welcome to this first procedural building profile tool video tutorial, where we will show you the very basics on how you can create your own building profile using the procedural building creation tool. Now we want to keep these videos as short as possible, so let's dive right into it. Your very first step is to go to the top menu here, hit User Content, and then create a building profile. Now, this creation pop-up will appear where you can set all the information you want for this profile, but worry not, as you can always go back and change this anytime later. So for this video, let's name this tutorial Dungeon and select Fantasy. You can always add a few tags here and a small description. And here you can see the templates we have for you. It's tutorial, simple and empty. In this video, we will go with empty, so we can show you everything step by step. Once everything here is ready, you hit create. And once you're here, you are basically in the procedural building tool and you can start creating. But before we do so, let's explore the UI a little bit. From here, you can close the tool and go back to the main VTT. The save button is obviously to save your progress, but also for the system to be updated with all the changes you did here while you were working, so you can test them while in the tool and you don't have to go back to the main VTT scene to test things. Finally, from here, you can edit all the information of your building profile. Here you have full access to your 3D and 2D models libraries, and here you have these special objects, these special items that basically will help you create your own profiles. Now that you kind of know what is going on here, let's create something super simple. A building profile that it's going to be a dungeon, let's say with only floors and walls and one or two objects. Just for you, to understand the tools. First of all, this scene has already a placement style. It's this red thing here that I move. Each style that you add here basically represents all the titles you see when you're using a certain profile in the normal VTT. Let's see an example. So this is a style, this is a style, this is a style. Let's go back. If I try to build something, you see there is nothing here to choose and build. The system cannot see this style. But if I click save, now the system can see this style, and if I go back here, we can see it as a title. But if I try to build, I get nothing because this style has zero data. Let's see what we can bring in. This here is a placement settings layer. You pick it, place it in the scene, and make sure it is attached to the style even a little bit. Obviously, you can resize it as you please. Let's make it that big. By default, this layer represents your floors layer. Now let's pick a placement marker, which is this one, and place it on the floors layer. Pick a floor we like, and place it there. Then click save. Now the system knows that your style has this type of floors attached to it. Let's draw a little to see that. Now moving on, let's add walls. Take a new placement settings layer and place it here attached to your style. Like before, this placement layer is by default representing your floors. To change that, you have to select the placement in the scene and then open its object properties either by hitting the hotkey P or by clicking here or here. Now you will see a lot of settings in its menu, But worry not for now, as these are more advanced creations, let's say. We will just focus on clicking here and from the drop-down menu change it to walls. Now let's pick a marker and place it here, exactly like we did before. Now, as you can see, this marker is set to none, meaning it represents all the possible positions of your walls. Now, if you click on the marker and you open the project properties of your marker, you will see that you can change this to all these options. So let's go and create markers for all of them. And let's add walls and columns. I'm gonna pick this wall and this type of column. And I'm gonna follow the markers placement, like anything that it gives me, I'm gonna place a wall and a column. Alright, now that we're done, we have our floor layer here and our walls layer here. We'll hit save again. And let's test this. There you go. Always remember that if you're drawing your next room or your next area from the inside of your creation, this area or this room is just gonna get bigger and continue building. But if you draw from the outside, basically you create a new room or a new area. Now, holding Alt and clicking in an area, it allows you to redraw it. And also, when you hit save, everything will get rebuilt so you can test your progress as many times as you want. As always, holding Shift and drawing will delete everything. Now, let's go one tiny step ahead and try to add some minimum objects in here. For this tutorial, we would like to only show you the very basic. So what I'm going to do is click here, bring a new placement layer. I'm going to ask it from the object properties to target objects. I'm going to bring a marker. I'm going to place it here. And let's make this marker target corners. Then let's add a new marker and ask it to target the center. Now, center basically means whatever tiles are not attached to a wall. For the corners, I'm gonna pick a light source. Let's pick this torch. And for the center, I will pick this statue. You have to remember that as you place these 3D objects on the markers, they need to be attached on the markers, even a little bit. Now, as you can see here, the placement times is set to 0. This means that the system will try to place this statue as many times as possible in any tile that it considers to be center. Basically, I'm gonna say it again, whatever it doesn't touch is not attached to a wall. Let's see it happening. As you can see, the system now placed a torch in all 4 corners, since we only have 4, and the statue in every possible center tile it could find. Obviously, we do not like that, so we're gonna go here, open these markers object properties and make this, let's say, 1 time. Hit save, and there you go. Now we only get 1 statue. And that's it for the basics. If you want to learn every secret behind this cool new tool, we suggest you hit subscribe and stay tuned as more videos like this one are on the way. In the next video, we will dive deeper into objects placements, and that's a promise. So thanks for watching, everyone.
RPG Stories. It's all about your stories.